This is a 302 I bought off Facebook Marketplace. I got it for $300. It's basically core price. The guy told me it moved. He showed me it moved, so it wasn't all froze. I don't know how well you can see. Everything's still a learning curve for me. I've never done anything this in depth. I guess I said 5 inches would probably be enough. 5 inches was more than enough for these bolts to go through to stick in the engine, get it up on the stand. Ended up going with 3.5, which is still a bit long. You see how many washers I got here? Look a little janky. So 3 probably would have been fine. A couple of washers. They were 7/16 for the bolts. 3.5 long, number 14 coarse thread. So after second trip to the hardware store on a Sunday, worried about them closing early on us, finally got some bolts that work. Got these valve covers pulled off the spark plugs, and everything still moves. I got it a few weeks ago. It's winter time now still. Well, had a couple of warm days. The valve cover gaskets actually still look pretty decent. Along with the spark plugs, they didn't look too bad. My friend asked if it had oil in it. I said honestly I didn't even check, and then we got it up on the hoist, started tipping. It had oil in it. Not anymore. But I was real happy to see that it still moves freely. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Still get decent light. It's getting late on me, getting dark. It's turning relatively easy. I really think this motor probably would have ran, just cleaned it up a bit. Fresh tune up, put an intake on it. Didn't come with one, but that's fine though. I bought this to completely strip it down. I was thinking to maybe do a 347 stroker out of it. Still planning on doing that. We'll see how funds look. I said all these rods look decent. Everything's moving pretty free. The oil didn't look like complete garbage. The guy I bought it from did some wheeling and dealing. He didn't remember what it came out of. He thought an Explorer, but he wasn't sure. But he had this masking tape on the ports. So once it gets a little bit warmer, I'll probably pull these heads off, get it cleaned up, power wash it. Just do a real thorough cleaning best I can, look for any cracks. Hope there aren't any. But so far it looks pretty decent. This is my little shop here. Not the best structure, but that's all I've got for now. I got this engine stand off Facebook Marketplace for about 20 bucks. I got the engine hoist for 100, I believe. It's a Napa, one of the brands Napa carries. I don't mind buying tools. I can reuse tools. But in all, this motor cost me $340. I had to go rent a truck to pick it up. But I don't think that's too bad for the price I paid. So stay tuned. Hopefully I remember to record some stuff. Keep you posted.